End-user recovery of Microsoft Exchange data. Do you need to recover a missing email or a corrupted document without asking your admin or logging a support request? With cloud-to-cloud backup for Microsoft 365, you can recover your deleted or corrupted Microsoft 365 emails, contacts, tasks, or your entire mailbox all by yourself. The first step in recovering your backed up data is signing into your account. Navigate to our sign-in page and sign in with your Microsoft credentials. If your Microsoft Exchange data has been backed up, you will see the following screen. If you do not see a Microsoft Exchange tile with a recovery button, let your system administrator know. Let's start with a scenario where you accidentally deleted a really important email from your regional vice president, and you also emptied your deleted folder, so it's not there either. Let's get that email back for you. Click Selective Mailbox Recovery. When did the email arrive in your inbox? If it was recently, the first place to look is here, in the backed up inbox. And here it is. Just to make sure it's the email you want, click the arrow to read the first line. Let's say the email arrived last week and it's no longer in your inbox. Click on the calendar icon and change the date. All of those green dots indicate successful backups. Locate the email you want to restore, select it, and click Restore. You have 3 restore type options. If you choose Non-Destructive Restore, the system copies your data into a new folder with the word Restore in parentheses and the date of the restore. Your existing data is left as is. We have 2 other restore options, Replace and Bypass, that return your data to its original location. We're going to choose Bypass Restore. As soon as I confirm, I will check the Jobs page to track the progress of my job. And after the restore task completes, I will receive a confirmation report by email. We also offer you the option of exporting your file instead of restoring it. Let's go back to our inbox, select our email, and click Export. The default export destination is a zip file on your hard drive, but you can also download to other locations as well. When you go to the Jobs page, there's a Download Results button that opens a new page and enables you to download your data file. The last thing to show you today is our granular keyword search. On this screen, you can search by keyword for any of the subservices you have backed up. In our case, we know that the email we're looking for is from Jacob Anderson, so let's search for it in the From field. And then you can restore or download your important email. Thanks for watching.